Welcome to our ultimate decluttering guide. I'm so excited to embark on this journey of tidying up with you. Today we're diving into 50 things you need to declutter before 2025. These are items that often get overlooked but can truly weigh down the energy of our homes. Remember, our goal is not just to discard but to thoughtfully curate a space filled only with things that spark joy. Let's get started and make your space more organized and peaceful. Do these spark joy? Let them go, it's okay. Safety first, dispose of these properly. If it doesn't spark joy, thank it and let it go. Chapter 4, Broken Electronics. It's time to say goodbye and recycle these responsibly. Chapter 5, Unused Kitchen Gadgets. Keep only what you use and love in your kitchen. Chapter 6, Old Makeup. Expired makeup doesn't spark joy, so let's refresh. Chapter 7, Outdated Paperwork. Keep important documents, shred the rest. Chapter 8, Books you won't read again. Share the joy of reading. Donate these books. Chapter 9, Old Receipts. Keep only what you need for taxes and returns. Chapter 10, Unused Cables and Chargers. Let go of the cable clutter, you don't need them all. Chapter 11, Old Greeting Cards. Keep a few special ones, recycle the rest with gratitude. Chapter 12, Expired Food. Make space for fresh and nourishing food. Chapter 13, Old Toys. Share the joy with others, donate gently used toys. Chapter 14, Unused Furniture. Create a more spacious home, let go of unused pieces. Chapter 15, Old Linens. Time for fresh beginnings, recycle or repurpose. Chapter 16, Outdated Decor. Refresh your home with items that spark joy today. Chapter 17, Old Shoes. If they no longer serve you, thank them and let them go. Chapter 18, Unused Tools. Keep only what you use for home improvement projects. Chapter 19, Old CDs and DVDs. Digitize and create a minimalist entertainment space. Chapter 20, Broken Jewelry. Repair or recycle, let go of what no longer shines. Chapter 21, Old Calendars. Let go of the past, embrace the present moment. Chapter 22, Unused Sports Equipment. Share your love for sports, donate to those in need. Chapter 23, Old Phone Cases. Time for an upgrade, recycle old phone cases responsibly. Chapter 24, Unused Stationery. Share the joy of writing, donate unused stationery. Chapter 25, Old Manuals and Warranties. Digitize important information, recycle the paper. Chapter 26, Old Board Games. Donate and share the fun with others. Chapter 27, Unused Bags and Purses. Choose those that spark joy, let go of the rest. Chapter 28, Old Planners. Reflect on the past, embrace the blank pages ahead. Chapter 29, Unused Craft Supplies. Organize and donate, share your creativity with others. Chapter 30, Old Pet Supplies. Donate unused items to animal shelters. Chapter 31, Unused Holiday Decorations. Keep only what sparks joy, donate the rest. Chapter 32, Old Sunglasses. Recycle or donate, let someone else enjoy them. Chapter 33, Unused Beauty Products. Create a more mindful and joyful beauty routine. Chapter 34, Old Batteries. Recycle properly, protect our environment. Chapter 35, Unused Garden Tools. Keep only what you need to cultivate your garden. Chapter 36. Old travel souvenirs. Keep a few treasures, let go of the rest with gratitude. Chapter 37. Unused exercise equipment. Create a more inviting and spacious living area. Chapter 38. Old remote controls. Recycle responsibly, reduce electronic waste. Chapter 39. Unused kitchenware. Donate and simplify your kitchen space. Chapter 40. Old bed pillows. Time for a fresh and restful sleep experience. Chapter 41. Unused baby items. Share the joy with others. Donate gently used items. Chapter 42. Old magazines. Recycle those that no longer inspire. Chapter 43. Share the gift of music. Donate to aspiring musicians. Chapter 44. Time for a fresh start. Recycle or discard old wallets. Chapter 45. Keep only what you need. Make space for what sparks joy. Chapter 46. Old light bulbs. Recycle properly. Illuminate your life with joy. Chapter 47. Unused party supplies. Donate and share the celebration with others. Chapter 48. Old curtains. Refresh your windows with what brings you joy. Chapter 49. Unused office supplies. Organize your workspace. Donate what you no longer need. Chapter 50. Old rugs. If it no longer brings you joy, it's time to let it go. Thanks for watching. We hope this list helps you declutter and organize your space, creating a home filled with only what sparks joy and brings you happiness. Remember, tidying up is not just about discarding, but about cultivating a deeper appreciation for the things that truly matter in our lives. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.